Girl, come here. You're that girl in quarantine, huh? Yeah, I've heard a lot of news about you from a lot of people, and a lot of people in your position right now. And you know what? I'll name them. I'm really bad at this. I need better lighting in here, Mom. Anyway, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Kayla. I'm a wreck, you are a wreck, we are all in quarantine, and in quarantine somehow this makes us all know that we have to bake. And it's currently nighttime when I'm filming, and nighttime is an awful time to film, and we're just gonna get right along with this. So Mom, I'm gonna bake.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
No. I have this kitchen finally clean. And
Not for long. Honestly, Mom, is it not a look? I'm kind of feeling myself.
What are you doing? I don't want to be on that camera.
Then don't be in the kitchen. We're gonna be making this easy apple crisp bar.
It's on Pinterest. I will leave it in the description.
If you would like to do the recipe in a large mixing bowl, beat together
The butter and sugar until light and fluffy.
So because I actually do not have light brown sugar, I'm going to be doing it with normal sugar as well as dark brown sugar and just mixing it along. We are taking 1/4 cup of light brown sugar. So that means we're taking some brown sugar as well as some granulated regular sugar. We have it right here. You know, this is a boring video and we're done. Okay, so I switched locations. And my mom is on the phone. So I have a 1/2 cup of butter. It's the whole stick, if you didn't know. My 1/4 cup of sugar. We're gonna be beating that together. I do not have a machine, so we're doing it all by the hand.
Oh my goodness.
Say hi.
Hello.
Nobody else in the group FaceTime call will pick up. So what I did, because I didn't use room temperature butter, was I took a spatula and went on the side like I'm doing here. Everyone, say hi to Riley. She called me just to be in the video.
I just realized I'm wearing the same outfit I was wearing in your last video. It changed since then, I promise.
But you know, in quarantine, we be dirty and stuff.
Go follow Kayla_Rodriguez_1fan. That's her fan account that I made for her on Instagram. Please go follow it. Make it her famous.
Okay, so it's like an hour later because now it's finally gonna be quiet in here. And this is low-key getting soggy, but at least it's like a good consistency. All good. So this is what it looks like. It may not be how it's supposed to, but it's the best that it's gonna get. So now it says to add in the flour and the vanilla extract. So we have 1 1/4 cup of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So now we're mixing it, and yes, I am mixing it with a spoon. I do not care. And we're supposed to mix it until it is crumbly. So I will show you the finished product of when I think it is crumbly. So this is what I define as a crumbly mixture. You can tell me if I'm wrong. So after that, we put the mixture in here. And a tip, if it's hard to like pat it in, is honestly wash your hands and then put flour on your fingertips, and then it'll make it easier to press it in. But now we're just going to take this and put it into the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. So after that, we take 4 cups of thinly sliced apple slices. And we put that in here. Obviously, I already sliced it. It took me 4 apples. And then you put 1/4 cup of granulated sugar in it and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And 2. And then we're just going to mix this together until all of the apples are covered. After it's all mixed together, we're going to put it inside of the pan. Okay, so next we're putting in a 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. But for me, that is a mixture of granulated sugar and dark brown sugar. And then also a 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. So I just added more granulated sugar. And now we're putting that in here. And then we're going to put 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. So we're putting in the flour. Then we're putting in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. And then a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. And then we're going to mix that together. Just going to use this because why not? We like to clean less dishes here. Mix that until it is complete. Sorry if like my mood is different now. I took like an hour off of filming because yeah, now I'm just tired and not my whack job self. So sorry if I'm not entertaining for the camera anymore. So now we are putting in 6 tablespoons of this butter, and it says to cut the butter into 1/2-inch cubes. Don't worry, I washed my hands. Or did I? You'll never know. So the way you're supposed to do this is take 2 knives and like go like that, I guess. Don't know if that's gonna work. So sorry, the lighting sucks. Who knows if this is even gonna make it to YouTube. Editing me, we'll see. Once this is all mixed, I'll get back to you. This is what it looks like, and it's supposed to be crumbly, and now we're gonna spread this on top of the apples. Sorry how really crappy this vid quality is. And then after you do that, you just take this and put it inside the oven for 45 minutes. I'll see you when it's done. It's finally done, and I am so excited. Like, look how perfect that cut is. Like, with ice cream right now, such a success. I'm letting the rest of them chill for a bit more because I want them to actually be bars, but I wanted to have some of it warm with ice cream. Anyways, that is the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I know you had nothing else better to do in this quarantine season, but please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.